Okay guys, so to make this quick and easy Spam fried rice, we're going to need 2 cans of Spam. We're also going to need about 4 to 5 cups of leftover rice from the night before, 1 whole carrot finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and half of a red onion finely chopped as well, 1 stalk of celery chopped, and 1 cup of frozen sweet peas as well. The 2 sauces we're going to need is soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. And now we're going to cut the Spam into small pieces, as you can see. I do want to say that you're also going to need eggs. I used around 5 eggs and scrambled. Do not add salt or anything like that because the Spam is salty, and also the soy sauce. So while the Spam is cooking or the rice is cooking, you might want to scramble your eggs. And now here's my Spam. And now in a medium saucepan, I added 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I've been cooking the Spam for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's nicely browned. And now we're going to add the garlic and the red onions. We're going to mix well. We're cooking at medium-high heat. Let's add the carrots and the celery. We're going to mix again. Now we're going to add the frozen peas. Mix again. And this is such a quick 15-minute dinner idea that the whole family is going to love. Now I'm adding 4 to 5 cups of the night before rice, leftover rice, which is the secret to the best fried rice recipe. We're going to add the scrambled eggs. We're going to mix well. And last but not least, we're going to add soy sauce. And I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. But again, just to taste, add, then taste and see for your liking. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to mix well, let this cook for about 8 minutes on medium heat. And then you have a delicious 15-minute quick and easy Spam fried rice recipe that I hope all of you guys can enjoy and make very soon.